Hi everyone, I am Zara and you are watching my channel Techno Zara. So welcome to my channel. So friends, today I am going to share with you our digital gaming project and it's called Bynamon. It's a complete digital monsters game and it's play to earn and very interesting exciting game, and you can check out it that you will enjoy it, and you can earn more and more. So I will share with you all the features, all the details about this game. So first of all, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can easily approach my next videos. So guys, now we start. Here you can see Bynamon. We are on its home page. A complete gaming metaverse of digital monsters. Enter the new play to earn game and battle the most epic monsters. First of all, you have to get Bynamons and download for Android and for Windows. Here is their QR code. Collect Bynamons and be part of the play to earn movement. Hodl the Bynamons token and collect our rare Bynamons, battle monsters and adventure. There are many ways to earn. The choice is yours. Collect Bynamons, open Bynamon packs to reveal your brand new Bynamon with a chance for ultra exclusive Bynamons. Use them to play, trade your Bynamons or stake them to earn Bynamons token. Battle. Put your Bynamons against other players for a chance to earn Bynamons token. Play and earn. Earn Bynamon Z1 token by playing every single day in Planet Krypton, or sit back and relax while your Bynamons earn your passive income. MOBA multiplayer game coming soon. Explore a 3D metaverse to trade, play, upgrade, and even explore new planets. Let your Bynamons earn token for you. Here we have stake to earn. Earn passive income by staking your Bynamons Genesis, and battle to earn. Assemble a team and fight monsters, earning epic reward in the process. Play to earn. Charge forward and defeat enemies for more loot in the planet Krypton. States here 14 billion 35 lakhs 4,123 earned by our Bynamers. And here we have 4,56,000 Bynamons created and 67,000 active Bynamons holders. Collect your own rare and exclusive Bynamon and earn tokens by playing. Ready to become a Bynamer? Join the Bynamers now. And here is the community. Join our community to earn. Join the growing community of Bynamers that are earning token and making passive income while doing what they love. Here are their social media links. It's Discord and Twitter, Telegram and YouTube. You must join their pages. You can easily get their updates and all the details and all the plans about the game. Bynamon, here we have play, tokens, metaverse, Bynamons community, all the details. Now we scroll up and we check many other things about this. We click on learn page and now you can see here Bynamon introduction. We have the introduction about the game. Bynamon is a complete metaverse of digital monsters. Our purpose is to bring to the blockchain universe an amazing experience where newcomers can learn, earn, and most importantly have fun. Bynamons help you earn income in 6 ways: collect, trade, farm, stake, battle, and play. Collect. Open Bynamon packs to reveal your brand new Bynamon with a chance for ultra exclusive Binomons. Use them to play, trade your Binomons, or stake them to earn Binomons token. Form: earn by holding and adding liquidity to Binomons metaverse. Battle: pit your Binomon against other players for a chance to earn Binomons token. Play earn Binomon Z1 BMON Z1 token by playing every single day in Planet Krypton, or sit back and relax while your Binomon earn your passive income. Adventure: explore a 3D metaverse to trade, play, upgrade, and even explore new planets. Trade, buy and sell your NFTs in the open marketplace with other real players. Earn massive profit and become a trading legend. Unique Binomon burn or nomics. Binomon's tokenomics are not just good. Every single booster pack opened and every battle fought goes toward decreasing the total circulating supply. Additionally, as more monsters and energy NFTs are created, the more token will be needed and burned to open them. Talk about deflationary. Check out the Binomons burn onomics are crazy good. Here is the address available. A new planet has arrived, and here we have the PDF, Binomon Planet PDF and Planet Z1 Tokenomics PDF. Now we check out Binomon Planet PDF. Here we have the Binomon PDF. Here we have their details. You can check out this introduction, Z1 BEP, and the problem, solutions, elite, president and vice president details, customization of the planet, technology or play to earn, their tokenomics. If you can check out this, we see that liquidity pool 15%, miners reward 45%, IDO sale 20%, planetary president 10%, planetary vice president 5%, and Binomon advisor team 5%. Here is the use of funds. Use of fund details. Contribution to the federation 50%, liquidity pool 30%, and marketing 20%. Here we have the recap, and now we check out the second PDF, which is the Planet Z1 Tokenomics PDF. And here we have the PDF Planet A Z1. Here you can see that their summary available and token release schedule available, sale round details, use of funds details, and token allocation details are available. You can check out it. Now we have the Binomons making international waves. We are not stopping until we reach outer space. Take a look at some of our flagship partners. Here their partners are details available, Binance Smart Chain and Chainlink and Dexty, Investing.com, CoinMarketCap, Yahoo Finance, BTC, Peers, and NullTX, News BTC, and CoinGap, and other is CoinGecko, and ZY Crypto, and Tech Illusion, and CoinSpeaker. There are all their partners, and from here if we get started, then you can check out this get started. New to the Binaverse and don't know where to begin. We have created a ton of useful content to help you to get comfortable with Binamon. And here we have the Binamon introduction and other is how to exchange fiat to cryptocurrency. If we click at it, you can see how to exchange fiat to cryptocurrency. Before you engage in battle, you must first obtain access to an exchange that has major cryptocurrencies like BNB, Ethereum or Bitcoin. And step 1 is register yourself on a fiat to crypto exchange platform. Here all the details are available step by step. Step 2, select a payment method for USDT. You can see and you can read out all the details how to operate. Step 3, convert your USDT into BNB. These 3 steps you must done. And next one is how to connect MetaMask. Now we have all the details and method how to connect MetaMask. MetaMask wallet is the most popular browser wallet available. Learn how to get your own wallet setup to play Binamon. Step 1 is download MetaMask. Step 2, and then a crypto wallet gateway to blockchain apps. And step 2, created a password. And next one is how to buy Binamon token. There are 3 main Binamon tokens you can buy: Binamon, BMON and BNRG and BMONZ1. So guys, I must tell you, BNRG is a Binamon energy and BMON is for Monster Booster. And step 1 is transfer BNB. Here is a small video for you, and you can check out it and you can easily learn how to get how to buy Binamon token, and the method is it's very easy and very describing way. You can check out it. You can check out it. Step 1, transfer BNB to your own wallet. Here is all the method. You can read out it, that how you can done it. It's very easy. You can read out all the details step by step. Step 2 is trade and exchange. Time to go PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is very easy method, and here we have the contract address available: BMON and BNRG and BMONZ1. 3 addresses we have available here. Choose your Binamon token from the drop down menu, verify and then click swap. Confirm your transaction and wait for the transaction submitted icon. Congratulations, you have Binamon and BNRG and whatever BMON, whatever you have to want. Now you can buy your own Binamon. Purchasing Binamon NFT booster packs. Now we check out this detail. Purchasing Binamon NFT booster pack. Here is a small video. You must check out it and get more information and more details about it. Here we have the step: the Binamon token used to buy Binamon Genesis NFTs and Krypton Binamon. The BNRG token used to buy energy NFTs, and BMONZ1 token used to buy Krypton Binamons. In order to buy booster packs, you will need the respective token. To obtain these tokens, you can use the trade features and swap your BNB for the respective token in PancakeSwap exchange. Use of PancakeSwap, it's very easy, very simple. You can easily read out it and you can operate it. You can easily successful. Read out all the points step by step. Step 1, connect your wallet. You can find a button that would connect your MetaMask account to the game. And step 2 is click approve account. Step 3, refresh. Step 4, click the buy booster button so you can easily get it. And next step is collect. How to collect? Here we have the details that how to collect. Once open Binamon's packs to reveal your brand new Binamon with a chance for ultra exclusive Binamons. Use them to play, trade your Binamons or stake them to earn Binamon's token. Binamon token used to buy Binamon Genesis NFTs and Krypton Binamons. The Binamon's token used to buy energy NFTs. The Binamon Z1 token used to buy Krypton Binamons. And read out all the details about this. Next one is trade token NFT. How to trade token and NFTs. Of course, you can always trade the various Binamon's token to earn, but did you know you can also trade your NFTs? Instead of keeping your NFTs lying around, you can use the escrow system to trade your NFTs. Go back to the home page and hit APPR and escrow to start a sale with your NFT. Once that done, you can press another button that pops up that says P2P sell. Once that done, you can see a list of all NFTs you will be able to sell on the P2P NFT tab. And all details here we have. Check out it. And here we have the address PancakeSwap. Here the chart address and their contract address. Binamon BUSD address and BNRG Binamon PancakeSwap. Here all the addresses, chart address, everything is available here. You can check out it. And the next step is form. Forms are system where holders are rewarded to having certain types of tokens. To do this, rewards are defined, which are given to everyone based on the number of tokens they contribute to the real pool farm. To farm, you need to get the specific token needed for each specific farm. Now let's use the Binamon WBNB BMON Z1 farm and as in example and break down what these numbers means. So guys, you can read it all the details step by step and you can follow this. It's very simple and very easy to operate. You can follow these steps. Here is the all details, all the contract addresses, all the things are available. And here we have so we check out all this and its stake about manual staking. You can also manually convert your Binamons into token to stake. You are going to have NFTs when you dive into Binamon anyway, so let's put them to good use. On the Binamon NFT page, click on collection to see your list of Binamon's monsters. Once you are there, you will see a list of your monsters along with a few buttons up top. And here is all the details about to operate. You can always convert your token back to NFTs at any time. And now to start earning using your new BGPWR token, you will want to click on rewards tab and look for the pools that have BGPWR in them. Now we check out the battle, but how is its method to operate. Here are the points, you can check out it. Battle here, battlebynamon.org. New interface, simple and faster UI. Battle animation, music and sound effects. Music and animated features can be disabled at the top right corner. Want to start a battle? Go to the collection tab and click the champion button above your Genesis Bynamon, or click on the link above. You can change your champion by going to the collection tab and typing into Bynamon's NFTs on the battle screen. The only connection working currently is MetaMask. Bets in BMON, BUSD and BNB pay out in BMON, while bets in BNRG pay in BNRG. You can win exclusive prizes if you lose the battle in the form of keys. How to get started with Bynamon's new and improved battle mode. Here is all the details. Get started. Before we can actually play, you have to make sure that you have Genesis Bynamon monsters. How do you get Genesis monsters? Read our helpful guide, and you can check out this clip so you can easily get information. Once you have your NFTs ready, make sure they are unstaked and not for sale. You can find your Genesis monster on our official app under the collections section. To get started, we can head over to the battle mod by going to battlebynamon.org to get your Genesis Bynamon collection and clicking on the champion button above the NFT, and then connecting to your wallet. In this case, we are going to be connecting the MetaMask wallet, and you will see the interface to sign a transaction. So go ahead and click to sign in. Once quick battle mod has loaded, you might actually see a screen where it says to enter the NFT ID, and all you have to do is to go back to your NFT collection and choose the right ID. For example, if I wanted to use my Sauron evolution card, I would just copy the ID number 121 and paste into the box. Once you enter the number, battle mod should be ready. And this is all the details. You can check out it, read it, and you have all the information. Here you can see it's a very long method and describing very detail, making passive income as a defender. And finally we have now play option, that how to play. Keep in mind, you will need Planet Z1 monsters to play this P2E game. To get them, you have to obtain BMON Z1 and BMON token and buy a booster pack on this address. The main game, which requires Genesis Bynamon monster, will be released in the future. Here is their tutorial, so you can check out it, and you can get more information about all the game method through this tutorial, how to get started. Once you have got your Z1 Bynamon monster, it's time to play. Click out the amazing tutorial to play the game. Here are the some steps. Enter this address, connect your wallet using a browser or Wallet Connect. You will now see your Bynamon Z1 monsters. Approve the contract with any of the button. Choose and log any NFT you want to use the game. You will have 1 hour limit for each monster. After looking your NFTs, copy the password on your clipboard. With Ctrl+C, download the game client here. Execute the installer and follow the steps. Execute Bynamon Runner exe. Press play game. A window to enter the password will open. Paste the password from step 5. Control plus V. Choose your monster and start playing. And this is the method that how to play. Playing is quite simple. You can move and attack with the WASD keys. Hit the correct attack at the correct moment to hit the enemies. If you fail your attack, the enemy will hit you and you will lose time. The time limit is 1 hour per monster. The score is not a direct indicator of the earnings, as all the scores of the players are calculated and you will get the share of the earning based on your score percentage of the total. If you have any suggestions or bug to report, please use this form. And then the next is NFT. NFT is getting superpowers and you can check out all this. And monster NFTs, here we have the details about monster NFTs. Check out all this. Here we have the this class attacks and horn power and elements, all the details about these powers. And all this is randomly generated with monster when monster booster are purchased. 3 cards per booster through a rarity algorithm that is completely random, performed by non-smart chain. And next is rarity and algorithm cost. Algorithmic cost, rarity and algorithmic cost, about the details that you can easily search here. And here we have the all details about the rates. And monster booster packs, booster pack, here we have that the details about the NFTs and its rates, and how to purchase a PancakeSwap, how to purchase on MetaMask and PancakeSwap. You can buy it on PancakeSwap and it's very easily to purchase from PancakeSwap. And here is the price list, you can check out it. And here we have all the details, all the rates, energy NFTs. And here you can check out the energy NFTs. Energy NFTs boost the power of your Binamons. Here we have the details about energy NFTs and Binamon crypto NFTs. Now we check out the Binamon Krypton NFTs. Here the details about this. Token and smart contract. Here we have the tokens and smart contracts addresses. Here we have BMON token, BNRG token, BMON Z1 token, NFT collection. All the details here, you can click it and check out it. BMON token. It's all the details about BMON token. Here we have the contract address. You can copy it and paste on the PancakeSwap. Here is the BSC page, audit page, and Binamon deck PDF, Binamon tokenomics PDF. You can check out it. And BNRG token. Here we have the BNRG contract address, their BSC pay scan page, their audit report. And BMON Z1 token. Here we have their BSC scan page, their contract address, their audit report. You can check out it. And here we have the NFT collections. And here is the NFT collection. And here is their address, their BSC scan page, and all the Binamon Z1 collection, Krypton Planet. And the next is ranking. You can easily check out the ranking. Here you can see the ranking page. You can check out it. And official audits. Here we have some official audits. BNRG token audit report, June 2021 and August 2021. And there's useful links. You can check out the useful links, Binamon price today, DEX tool, team lockup, and here we have the Planet ALGC Z1 Krypton and its interface, and you can check out it all the details about it. And Z1 BEP token, here there its details and the problems, you can check out it, and then the solutions. And the alite, here we have that a new alite has arrived, introducing the president and vice president. The owner of the two accounts that contribute The owners of the two accounts that contribute the most of the foundation of the planet will be proclaimed president and vice president of the planet ALGCZ1. President 10% of the total supply, vice president 5% of the total supply. The name of planet ALGCZ1, the name of the Z1 BEP coin, the symbol, the planetary logo. Play to earn, B2E game, and here is the detail and a tutorial video, you must check out it. And it's further detail about more value of BMON and FNFT Genesis holders. Here you can check out it. Special elements. Now I show you the special elements. Here you can see merge and fuse. It's very different features it has, and it's very huge project. It's an multiplayer game powered by Unreal Engine, who is the one of the most powerful person in the platform, and he also powered by a mobile app, and it's the adventure mode, so you can here find the adventures. Very soon team is working hard, and here is the multiplayer game powered by Unreal Engine. Here you can see it, iOS and Android mobile apps. Wherever you go, Binamon's going to be with you. No more sitting at your PC. Earn while you are in the grocery store, standing in the line of at the DMV, or even walking your dodge. So iOS mobile app, download our version Android and download from this address on your cell phone. Locate and install the APK on your phone using File Explorer. So you can easily play game anywhere you are working or you are going, so you can easily play anywhere. VR integration, here is the VR integration details, and in artificial intelligence, here some details about this. So now we check out all the features and details about it. So we go to the introduction page. So guys, we are on home page, and we have checked all the features about it. It's a game, and it's very interesting and fun to play, and you can easily play it and easily to understand it, and it's very different, very unique and very interesting. And here you have the its Discord and social media links, Twitter, Telegram, and YouTube, and you can easily follow their pages and like their pages and in touch with them, so you can easily get their updates. And I hope that you like the video and you can understand it all the games about features. So till then, my next video, take care, bye.